Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting both controllers and profiles ready. This saves time. Make sure Fortnite is updated, signed into the primary account, and both controllers are connected. Once done, sit both players at the console and sign the second player into an Xbox profile. Guest works too. Then launch Fortnite from the primary profile. Don't navigate menus yet. When the main lobby appears, keep the second controller active and watch for the prompt to join. That prompt is the gateway to split screen. When you see the lobby, press on the second controller to add the second player. Accept profile or guest prompts when they appear. Once both players show in the lobby, choose a supported playlist. Duos or squads work reliably, whereas some modes do not support split screen. Make sure controller bindings and voice chat settings are set for each player. If you plan to play competitive, pick a region and confirm both players' prefs. Then you're ready to queue. Both screens will render side by side. With both players present, press play and the game will load split screens automatically. If a black screen or missing second player happens, first have the second controller re-sign into its profile and press it again, then quit Fortnite fully and relaunch. Once done, make sure Xbox system updates and Fortnite updates are installed. Outdated firmware often blocks split screen. If problems persist, try swapping controller ports or using a guest account for player 2. That often isolates account conflicts and gets you back into the game quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.